So much nostalgia with this Casio Pac-Man digital calculator watch. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I have to admit, I grew up in the sort of golden era of video games, and one of my absolute favorites has always been Pac-Man, and then Ms. Pac-Man, and then all the other variations. But still, that little yellow guy chomping on the dots and trying to avoid the ghosts, there was just something about that game that just pulled me in. Then I think Tetris came along, and Tetris absorbed a lot of my energies too, but Pac-Man, classic retro video game. It's available on every darn platform. Who doesn't love this game? Enter this. This is an official licensed Casio Pac-Man calculator digital watch, and it is really fun. As you can see in the close-up, it is a calculator watch going way back decades ago to like the beginning of the digital watch era. But in addition to that, it also has this great Pac-Man theming. So let's have a look right now, and then I'll come back and I'll talk about all the specs. But let's jump in for a demo. Let's start out looking at the different modes, and that's easily done by pushing this little button on the side. So there's calculator, alarm, dual time, stopwatch, and we're back to time. Now, let's go into calculator, and I'm going to use a pen because my fingers are a bit big. So we're going to say, what is an 18% tip for an $88 bill? So we're going to push 8, and then times, and then point, what did we say, 18%? So 18 equals, and there you go. So it actually makes it really pretty easy to work with if you have smaller fingers or are very good at pushing buttons. Now, in addition to this button here, there's another button that you can't see at this angle, but here's a view of the side. This hidden button actually lets you turn on and off the beep. So if I push it, now when I push buttons, there's no beep. And you can see it takes a little practice to get used to this. So plus equals. So there we go. And then when we're ready to go to the next mode, we just simply push that. That clears it. Then we can go and step through modes to get back to where we want. And the easy way to remember is that DT means it's dual time. And then the one where it tells you the day actually is the current time. And that's it. So let me jump back on camera. Tell me that's not a really fun watch. And yes, of course, all of this functionality you have on your smartphone, and you could certainly get better versions of it, and probably a game you can play on your smartwatch. But did you have that smartwatch when you were a kid? Probably not. So that's what makes this so much fun. And of course, it's also Casio's 50th anniversary and Pac-Man's 45th anniversary. Can't believe Pac-Man's that old. Not one wrinkle. Very impressive. Pac-Man, of course, is licensed from Namco Bandai Entertainment. And I do, as I said earlier, remember when it first came out and we all stood around saying, wow, that's like so colorful. It's so amazing. Yes, video and computer games have come a long, long way. Still, back to the watch. So it is a bio-resin or bio-based resin, and the packaging, I'm going to come back to that in a second. As you saw, the functionality, it has dual time, it has alarm, including hourly alarm if you want it. That stopwatch is accurate to 1/100th of a second, assuming you can push it at the right time. The calendar goes to $20.99, and then who knows what happens. Maybe this turns into a Pac-Man game. I don't know. I'm not going to necessarily hang around that long to find out, but it's also accurate to plus or minus 15 seconds a month. So Probably every 6 months or so, you might find you need to adjust it up or down a minute. It's fairly easy to do that. Again, you might find that you're using a pen because you have to push not only the button on the outer edge, but the one that's recessed too, which personally I find a little hard to do. But if it's once in a blue moon, I can handle it. And it is water resistant, and the battery, it uses a CF2016. There's already one installed when you buy the watch, and that's said to last for 5 years. So you can count on one hand how many batteries you'd need till you run out of calendar, right? Well, maybe 2 hands. Dimensions-wise, 43.2 millimeters by 34.4 millimeters by 8.2 millimeters. It is super light. It is super thin. You can use a band of 125 to 180 millimeters, but this is a pretty nice little band, and you can see here how the back clasp works. And the clasp says Casio on it. So the Pac-Man theming also is on the back. You can see on this picture on the back. It's pretty cool, actually. But I really want to also show you the packaging. Before we get there, I'll tell you that it comes with the typical paperwork for Casio. So Casio uses a small number of modules for a larger number of styles. And this module for the calculator watch is either module 437 or 438 or possibly 3208. All three of them have the same basic functionality. And then there's a warning for people who live in California. There's a warranty card. And there's a very interesting battery list. I've never seen this before in a Casio watch, but it basically shows you all the different batteries that a watch could use. It doesn't even highlight which one this uses, but all the possible batteries. And it shows you the, let's see, the nominal voltage and stuff. So it's kind of an interesting reference sheet. Not sure why it's in the box, but let's look at this box. So you get it, and it comes in a box like this. The box is intended to look like a console game. And then when you open it up, it looks like this. Of course, the watch would be in the center part like that, but it looks kind of like a console. It's actually really fun packaging. And just as a tip, the part that says Pac-Man, fold forward, and then you can lift these pieces out, because underneath everything is where you find all this paperwork. Most of that, not a big deal, but this you'll want to either go and read through, or you can find it online. In fact, I'll put a link in my description so you can see a digital copy of this module manual, because it is helpful to know how to, for example, set the correct time, because you don't want to have it on the wrong time. Although, who knows, maybe you're so used to using your phone for your time that this would just be sort of a, I don't know, a fashion statement. But however you slice it, I think they've done a fantastic job with this. I think it's a great partnership between Casio and Namco Bandai, and I just really like it, and my kids really like it too, because I'll tell you, this sort of vintage gear is very not just nostalgic, but very stylish and fashionable too. So that's what I got. This is a watch definitely worth learning more about, and then wearing it while you're playing Pac-Man, even if it's just something you've never played before. It's still absolutely worth learning. I am going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Click or tap on that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notifications. Give me a thumbs up if you found this of value. Of course, I hope you did. This is the Casio Pac-Man Digital Calculator Watch CA53WPC1B. Yeah, actually means something, but I don't know what it means. And it is $79.95 at Casio.com. So definitely, if you're a fan of Pac-Man, or you have someone in your family who loves the game, this is such a fantastic watch. It's so fun. And 5 years, you can just wear it when you're on your way to the arcade just to have some fun with pinball or something. And people be like, oh my God, that is the best watch ever. It is really fun. So that's what I got. I'm gonna go play some Pac-Man. So I'll have to catch you in my next video.